Coming in number 1, Mighty Mule MM371W Automatic Gate Opener. The Mighty Mule MM371W Automatic Gate Opener feels like a brand that has learned from its scars. Built for swing gates up to 16 feet and 500 pounds, it handles chain link and wood with steady confidence. Not for solid panel gates, and it knows it. The biggest upgrade is separation. The control board now lives in its own box. Programming is easier. The on and off switch is protected inside. The antenna can be mounted higher for better range. Small changes, real impact. It runs faster than older models, stays relatively quiet, and supports useful add-ons like exit sensors, wired switches, and smart connectivity with the optional MMS10 kit. Pair it with a 12-volt marine battery, add solar if needed, and it works year-round from -5 degrees to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Installation is manageable, especially with the built app preview. With proper hinge care and light maintenance from -5 degrees to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Installation is manageable, especially with the built app preview. With proper hinge care and light maintenance, these units have a track record of lasting many years and thousands of cycles. Tech support may test patience, but the hardware itself feels sturdier, smarter, and more refined than past generations. Sturdier, smarter, and more refined than past generations. Top 5 best automatic gate openers. Number 5, TOPENS DKC100S Solar Sliding Gate Opener. The TOPENS DKC100S Solar Sliding Gate Opener feels built for people who want power without drama. A 3/5 HP 450-watt DC motor moves gates up to 2,600 pounds and 40 feet long with calm confidence. Soft start and soft stop keep things smooth. No violent jerks. No metal shaking the morning air. The solar setup is the quiet hero. A 30-watt panel and 24-volt battery system mean no trenching, no expensive wiring runs. Perfect for long driveways, farms, ranches. Installation is DIY friendly. A few hours, common tools, step-by-step guide, done. After years of use and thousands of cycles on heavy gates, reliability holds strong. Even EB are available separately, and support responds fast and clearly. It is not flawless. The manual has inconsistencies. Some units show minor assembly oversights. DP switch programming can confuse. Remote capacity is limited to 8 without expansion. Technical users will manage. Beginners should read carefully before starting. Once dialed in, it runs quietly, steadily, almost invisibly. And that is the point. A gate should protect the property, not demand attention. Coming in number 4, TOPENS PW802 Automatic Gate Opener. The TOPENS PW2 Automatic Gate Opener is what happens when it's restraint. Two 24-volt DC 80-watt motors move dual swing gates up to 880 feet per leaf with quiet authority. No grinding, no drama, just smooth motion and soft start, soft stop control that feels refined. It supports pull to open or push to open setups, making it flexible for courtyards, farms, ranches, or long residential driveways. Installation is approachable with basic tools, and many replace older systems at a fraction of the cost while reusing existing brackets and enclosures. The adjustable auto-close feature works well once programmed correctly. The manual may require careful reading, but port responds quickly with clear guidance. Add-ons like the ET24 electric lock integrate seamlessly, adding a confident click of security without noise. Powered directly by AC with optional battery or solar configurations using adapters, it adapts to different needs. After daily cycles on heavy wood gates across large properties, it proves durable and consistent. For those wanting a quiet, capable dual gate system without luxury pricing, this one earns attention. Coming in number 3, GC Ghost Controls Solar Heavy Duty. The GC Ghost Controls Solar Heavy Duty is built for the practical homeowner. One swing gate up to 20 feet or 900 pounds. Decorative, tube, chain link, wood. Not flashy, just purposeful. Installation asks for patience, not genius. Common tools, no welding, no high voltage. 2 brackets make life easier. Programming remotes and keypads can test nerves at first, especially with small buttons and addendum notes hiding in the paperwork. Once learned, it becomes routine. The 10-watt solar panel works best in honest sunlight. Shade will humble it. Adding panels in parallel helps. A 12-volt battery is required, and smart users often upgrade to marine or dedicated battery boxes for stability. In daily life, it delivers what matters. Range up to 1,000 feet, smooth opening, fewer door-to-door interruptions, real peace of mind. Glitches happen. A reset usually restores order. Patient. Replacement boards and panels are available. Extended warranties prove useful over time. It is not a fortress. No residential opener is, but it adds a layer of control, convenience, and quiet authority to the driveway. In number 2, COZ 1400-pound sliding gate opener. The COZ 1400-pound sliding gate opener is the kind of machine that respects weight. A 280 watts motor pushes gates up to 1,400 pounds and 40 feet long at a steady pace. Not rushed, not strained. Just steady movement backed by a steel frame, ABS dissipating cover, and an all-copper motor built for long. Installation is friendly to the hands-on owner. Hardware included. Change straightforward. Start with a solid concrete base and the rest falls into place. It supports up to 25 remotes, and the encrypted signal adds a quiet layer of security. Obstacle detection and optional infrared sensors bring peace of mind. There are rough edges. Instructions can be vague. Bolts may need trimming. Chain tension adjustment could be more refined. But once dialed in, it runs smoothly and surprisingly quiet. It also plays well with upgrades. Strobe lights, wireless keypads, even voice control through smart switches. With a bit of tinkering, the gate opens before the car reaches the driveway. For the price, it delivers serious capability without professional installation costs. Solid, adaptable, and quietly dependable.